Good afternoon, and good evening. Happy Bringling. Namaste, brothers and sisters. Welcome to this very first Wealth with Purpose Mondays on YouTube channel Bringle Talks. Let me ask you straight. We all work hard, aren't we? But are we truly free? Every day I meet people, men buried in files and targets, women juggling jobs, families without a pause, NRIs who send money home but feel disconnected from their roots. They feel stuck. They want to come back to the country, but they are not able to because of the lifestyle, because of the money, because of the children, probably, who have got addicted or maybe liking the kind of lifestyle they're living in. And young entrepreneurs staring at empty wallets, unsure of tomorrow. Job loss is real. Savings don't last forever. And the truth is, most of us earn wealth, but very few leave a legacy. I know this pain personally because I have lived it. I have lived it. You know what? I was the youngest vice president in a multinational company at just 33 years of age. I was managing $100 million worth of decisions at that point in time. And then one day, I was fired. No fault of mine, just a company decision. Life had not been easy since then. From there, 7 businesses failed, 4 crore in debt, assets sold. The gold which I kept for my daughter's future has to be sold, and sleepless nights to just pay EMIs. So when I speak today, I don't speak from books. I speak from scars. The scars which destiny has given me and many men and women like you. But let me also share what I discovered in those dark years. What do we really want? Passive income? Money that works even when we sleep. Financial freedom. To choose work out of love, not compulsion. Getting stuck into the traffic every day, we do not like it, but we still do it. Multiple income streams, so one crisis doesn't destroy us. Legacy, something our children remember us by. And above all, purpose, to give back to the society and to our nation. And that's how this idea was born. The Wealth with Purpose movement. Yes, this is the way to combine income and impact, freedom and legacy, wealth and purpose. Let me show you how we have turned this into a reality. Imagine a tree. The roots are your investments, CSR, grants, donations. The branches are passive income, venture capital, and social impact. Here how it works. Here is what, how it works. We building up Sone Ki Chidiya Ko Jagao or SKCKJ centers with a self-sustainable cash flow models in skills, health, and environment. And you can start with just 50,000 rupees one time or 5,000 rupees per month for 12 months period. You get your donation certificate for tax benefits. Your capital is returned back to you in 3 to 5 years time. And then you begin receiving anywhere between 10 to 20% of annual passive income for life. And all of this goes into funding preschools, after schools, health centers, and green projects. And these are socially impactful projects. If you're an NRI, this is your chance to reconnect to India with legacy projects. If you're a CSR leader, this is a ready, audited model with compliance. For entrepreneurs and investors, this is your entry into backing the next 100 unicorns of India. Because we never know which startup, which entrepreneur, which individual will turn out to be the next unicorn founder. This isn't just donation. It isn't high risk speculation. It isn't a dead investment. This is self-sustainable wealth. You can either invest in the social venture fund with just 50,000 rupees one time or 5,000 rupees per month on a 12-month basis, or you invest 5 lakh rupees in the venture capital fund and get 100x plus returns. Or you could invest, let's say 50,000 rupees per month, whatever is your possibility. But then be a part of this 10,000 crore dual fund model with this self-sustainable wealth with purpose model. Now, let's be honest. You might still have fears, and I respect that. What if I lose my job tomorrow? What if my capital gets stuck? What if it is just another promise? That's why we have designed this model differently, and we have tested this out ourselves with our money. And of course, many investors supported us, support out there, trusted us. And with the God's grace, we've been able to fulfill that. The capital will be returned in 3 to 5 years' time. There will be a 10 to 20% income every year thereafter. Fully transparent, audited, and impact-linked initiative. Because you're not going to be just a donor. You're going to be a partner in transformation. Donor or investor. So this is not about losing. It's about building freedom from the loss. Remember, the greatest risk is not acting at all. This is bigger than just you or me, much bigger than you or me. This is about men of legacy, men who rise above paychecks to leave real inheritance. Women on purpose, women who build futures while shaping societies. NRIs who dream of giving back to Bharat while living abroad. Corporates who channel CSR into the self-sustainable business models. Together, we are not just earning wealth, we are building a nation. We are awakening the golden bird. This is your billion-dollar dream, not just in numbers, but in meaning. So here is my invitation to you. Download your free ebook right now and book your one-on-one call with me to design your passive income blueprint for free. Link is there below. And most importantly, subscribe to Bringle Talks YouTube channel for daily insights, weekly shows, and every Monday episode of Wealth with Purpose. And there are every day there is a different theme. And share this, Bringle Dreamwave to each and everybody out there in the family or your friends. Because at the end of the day, you have only two choices. Dare to dream big or die wondering your billion-dollar dream. The choice is yours. And your legacy begins today. Keep bringing, keep growing. जगाओ जगाओ हर घर तिरंगे के साथ हर घर सोने की चिड़िया को जगाओ. Let's awaken the golden bird hidden inside each of you.